Okay, good evening, class. This is our third session for solid geometry, and we will be solving more sample problems for polyhedrons, rectangular solids, cubes, cylinders, and prisms. Alright, sige, start na tayo. Okay, for our first problem, we have here what is the volume of a regular tetrahedron whose edge measures 20 meters. Take note, class, when we speak of tetrahedron, okay, when you speak of tetrahedron, it has 4 faces. And then, ang iyahang face is a triangle. Diba? As discussed during our first session. And, okay, when you speak of volume, kung nagtanaw mo sa to ang first session class, diba, kung di pa memorize lang is radius of the inscribed sphere, which is, inari ang formula na to. 3v over a. Si radius of the inscribed sphere na siya iyang separate formula. That means to say, if kabalo ka sa formula for the radius of the inscribed sphere and nasolve ninyo inyong area, masolve na to itong volume. Right? And so kung i-rearrange siya ito ni siya, inanin siya ha, RA over 3. And kato lagi class, as long as ka-memorize mo sa formula for R, in this case, class, kapag tetrahedron ka, your radius of the inscribed sphere is equal to square root of 6 over 12e. Mo ni siya, kani, this is something that you have to memorize based sa to ang first session. Okay, as long kay, again ha, pag naka-memorize mani and naka-solve ninyo ang area, again, ang area is something that is ma-derive lang nato. So, kung kabalo mo sa area and radius, masolve yun nato itong volume. Okay? Sige, solve sa ta sa area kay dali lang, class. Ang area na to, take note na kay 4 faces. Unsa ba ang face? Triangle. So that means to say, to get the area lang, upat ka area of the triangle. Mana na siya ang total surface area sa imong tetrahedron. Okay? Area of the triangle times 4. Okay? Ang area of the triangle, sige yan. To 4. O sige, ang formula for the area of the triangle, di ba, equilateral triangle man siya? Right? Sige. Equilateral triangle. So, say formula for that, di ba, that is square root of 3 over 4e squared. Tama? This one here, kaning nasa parenthesis, is the formula for the area of an equilateral triangle. Okay? And, katuha, tetrahedron ta, wala siya gi-state sa problem. Okay, wala siya gi-state sa problem na equilateral triangle ta ang imuhang face sa tetrahedron. Pero kato lagi, when we speak of polyhedrons class, ang iyang faces is made up of regular polygons. So kung regular polygons ka, equal-equal to yung mga sides. So kung equal-equal ang sides ng triangle, hence we have an equilateral triangle. Gets lang to, no? Okay, sige, gets lang. So area nimo is pila? 4 times square root of 3 over 4. E is 20 squared. Okay. So, solving for that, sige, solve na to. That is 692.82. 92.82 pa. Shift store A na lang, class. Shift store A. Okay. We have that area na. So, okay na to sa area. How about the radius of the inscribed sphere? Solve lang siya if you know the formula. R is equal to square root of 6 over 12e. That is just square root of 6, 12 times 20. Pila ni siya, class? Kani. 4.08. Shift store B na lang, class. Alright, and to get the volume, that is RA over 3, that is naka-shift store B times naka-store sa A all over 3. How much is that? That is 942.81. 42.81 meter cube. And that is your volume for a regular tetrahedron, or tetrahedron, IDK, how to pronounce that. Pero whose edges measures 20 meters, and that's it. Nato lang ka simple class. As long as you know the formulas, it's more like direct substitution lang yun. I did it with a direct substitution, pero you get the point na. Okay? Sige. Sige, second problem. Okay. What is the volume of a regular dodecahedron with length of side 5 centimeters? So dodeca. Okay. Sorry sa akong agi ha. Dodeca, you have 12 faces, and unsa ganito ang face when you speak of that? Pentagon. Right? Pentagon na siya, class. Asa ganin ni siya, ma'am? Kato itong gidiscuss, good na itong niagi pa. Diri, Kani, na discussions tong first session. If wala mo kita, please do watch the first session for you to makarelate ka karon sa kung ginastoryahan. Pero mo ni siya. Dodecahedron has 12 faces, and pentagon ang iyang mga face. Okay? Sige, proceed na ta sa itong problem. Right, padayon ta. Okay, so again, for you to get the volume, R is equal to 3V over A, and as long as kabalo ka sa area, and kabalo mo sa formula for the radius of the inscribed sphere, which is R is equals to 1.11E. Again, kanya tong R, lahi-lahi siya formula kada polyhedron. Pakita na ako balik. In kaso lag wala mo nagtanaw sa first session, mao ni siya. Kani siya na row. Alright, sige. Padayon ta. Saan ako? Sige. Padayon ta. So, get na tong area. Same process lang yun siya ganina. Same process lang yun siya, no? Kao na tong area. So, nakay 12 ka area of pentagon. So, sige, kao na tong area of pentagon, class. Diba, na-discuss na nato ni sa second session, I guess. Diba na ako gi-introduce na formula for the area of a regular polygon, no? 1/4 nanakot 180 over n. That is the formula for the area of a regular polygon, which is magamit na to siya in this case in getting the area of a pentagon, but class. 1/4 nanakot 180 over n, so you have n nimo is the number of sides, so 5. A nimo is the length of that side, which is also 5 centimeters. So substitute formula, you have 1/4 times 5 times 5 squared, cotangent 180 over 5. How much is the area of the pentagon? You have 1/4 5 squared times 1 over tangent syntax error. (43.01). So 43.01 pa shift store A na lang ko, class. Shift store A. Sige. Okay na ta, area of the pentagon. How about R? No, sorry. Dili pa din eh. Area of the pentagon pa din, no? You have to get the total surface area yun. Area is 12 times 43.01. Kuha ba na ito ganina? Yeah. So, times 12 pa din, kaya kanina itong nakuha is just one pentagon. And you have 12 pentagons in the case of a dodecahedron. So, times 12 pa rin ito, class. That is 516.14. Shift store A. Shift store A. Right? Okay na ta for area. How about the radius of the inscribed sphere? That is 1.11E. So 1.11 times 5, that is equal to 5.55. Okay? So, sige, solve na ito ang volume. Volume is just RA over 3. R is 5.55. A is katong naka-shift story A na to class. All over 3. So, pila itong answer? (954.86) 86, yeah. 954.86 centimeter cube. And that is the volume of your regular dodecahedron with a side of 5 centimeters. Okay, so proceed na ta.